2.
Imagine it was raining grapplers.
Yeah. Imagine it was.
Not enough. I wish I had a grappler, but I don't. All I do is have this damn thing, which I hate these things. All they do is make me fly up in the air, like. Like seriously, dude, it just makes me fly. It just makes me fly, dude. It just makes me fly.
Bro, there's raining grapplers.
What?
It's raining grapplers, for real.
Let me see. I don't see. Grapplers! Let's go!
Grapplers! It's grapplers! It's raining grapplers!
Grapplers! Let's go, dude! I got grappler, dude. Guys, look at this. Dude,
Bro, why's your backpack on the floor?
I don't know. Is that how the raining grapplers came? Or something?
Imagine it was raining TNT.
Yeah, imagine raining TNT for some reason. Yeah. Like, seriously. Dude, imagine if it was. Oh,
yeah.
I'm not able to reach. Oh!
Bro, it's gonna start raining. It's raining TNT.
What the heck? TNT. It better be Minecraft. Let's see if it's Minecraft. Yo, Minecraft. I'm taking this. Where's my backpack at? And don't take the TNT I have with me, okay?
I will. But where'd all the other TNT go?
I don't know. Someone took it probably. Well, luckily,
yeah.
Well, at least I
Bro,
took it.
take a better backpack. Take a better backpack. Bro.
I don't own better
Take a better one. Take a better backpack.
Give it up there. Wait,
Better
no.
backpack. Better. Bro, wait. I want you to know.
Oh, dude. Imagine it was raining broccoli. Yeah, imagine it was raining pink broccoli. Damn. Dude, imagine it was raining broccoli. Like, for real. Dude, who's buying all these stuff? Dude, imagine it was raining. Imagine it was just raining broccoli. Dude, imagine it was raining broccoli.
Bro, imagine there's a flying grappler.
Yeah. What the heck? A flying grappler. I found a flying grappler.
Oh, that's cool.
No, like seriously. I'm not lying. Believe me.
Bro, I think there's a tiny person.
Hey, dude, what's up? Imagine broccoli was just. Imagine it was raining broccoli. I wish it was raining broccoli, right?
Yeah, imagine it was giant.
Yeah, imagine it was raining.
Wait,
broccoli.
go somewhere else. Go somewhere else.
Huh? Okay. My grappler can't reach from here. This grappler is so dumb. Oh! Oh, the misery. Imagine there was a floating imagine there was a giant. Dude,
Imagine there was.
I found a giant. Dude. Imagine.
Do you know who was the giant?
They're black. They have a suit on. Ah!
I'm gonna get to the top of the tree before you do.
Top of what tree?
This one.
Ooh,
But
what
died.
a misery. Bruh.